Now let's see how to find the equation of angle bisector through the region which contains the given point. Here we have two lines L1 and L2. These two lines divide the plane into four parts, four regions. Okay. Now point P is in this region. Okay. ये जो region बन रहा है L1 L2 से यहाँ पे है point P. And we have to find the equation of angle bisector. This angle bisector which passes through this region which contains point P जिसके coordinates alpha comma beta है. कैसे निकालेंगे ये इक्वेशन, हमें ये समझना है, ठीक है ना. Now we know that line divides the plane into two regions. In one region the sign of expression, linear expression, is positive for all the points lying in that region, and for other region the sign of expression is negative for all the points lying in that region. So line divides the plane into two regions. One is positive region and one is negative region. Positive region means the value of this expression is positive for all the points lying in that region. ठीक है. Now suppose this is positive region of line L1 and this is negative region. Let me put the sign. Okay, this is positive region. Okay, so this region will be negative with respect to line L1. So I put here minus sign everywhere. Okay. Okay. Similarly, L2 will divide plane into two parts, one positive region, one negative region. Suppose this is a positive region of line L2. So let's put here plus sign. I am using different color. Okay. Then this region will be negative region of line L2. So let's put here minus sign everywhere. Now we can see that this region and this region have same sign. Here both the signs are positive, here both the signs are negative. Two opposite regions have same sign, and these two regions, ये जो दो regions हैं वहाँ पे expressions के sign जो हैं वो opposite है. In these two regions the sign of these two expressions are opposite. ठीक है ना? This is always the case. Two lines divide plane into four regions. Two opposite regions have same sign and two opposite regions have different signs. Okay. This point P is lying in the region where both these expressions have same sign. If point P is lying here, then in that case also expressions have same sign. Okay. So in question what we do, we put this coordinates in these two expressions, linear expressions, and we check the sign. We have these expressions A1 alpha plus B1 beta plus C1 and A2 alpha plus B2 beta plus C2. If we get the same sign, here we are getting a positive sign. Okay. Here if both these expressions are positive, then the angle bisector through the region containing this point will be this. ठीक है ना? ये एंगल बाइसेक्टर का इक्वेशन होगा ना, क्योंकि इन दोनों एक्सप्रेशंस का जो वैल्यू है वो पॉजिटिव है. If point P is here, in that case also this will be equation of angle bisector containing this point. Means angle bisector of the region containing this point. ठीक है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ये? क्योंकि इन दोनों एक्सप्रेशंस का साइन सेम है तो यही इक्वेशन फिट बैठेगा ना. ठीक है. एंड if sign of these two expressions are opposite, अगर इन दोनों expressions के sign जो हैं वो opposite है, one is positive and other is negative, then in that case equation of angle bisector of the region containing this point will be this. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन वाला बाइसेक्टर कंसिडर करेंगे. अगर P पॉइंट यहाँ पे होता, ठीक है ना, ये रीजन में दोनों एक्सप्रेशंस के साइन ऑपोजिट है, ठीक है, तो उस केस में इस एंगल बाइसेक्टर का इक्वेशन ये होगा, इक्वेशन ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्रू द रीजन विच कंटेन्स दिस पॉइंट, ठीक है। होप समझ में आ रहा है। क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करते हैं इस कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर। Now look at this question. For the straight line having equations 4x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 12y plus 9 is equal to 0, find the equations of angle bisector through the region which contains point 1 comma 2 and point 0 comma 0. We have these two different cases. इन दोनों केसेस के लिए हमें एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स के इक्वेशंस निकालने हैं, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी डू, वी फर्स्ट राइट द इक्वेशंस ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स. Equations will be 4x plus 3y minus 6 over 5. This is equal to 5x plus 12y plus 9 over 13. Okay, and 4x plus 3y minus 6 over 5 equal to minus of 5x plus 12y plus 9 over 13. One equation with plus sign here, one equation with minus sign here. Okay. Now first we have to find the equation of angle bisector through the region which contains point 1 comma 2. So what we do, we put this point in this two linear expressions and check the sign. Okay. For this linear expression we have 4 plus 6 minus 6 greater than 0. Okay. And for this linear expression we have 5 plus 12 plus 9, this is also greater than 0. Sign of these two linear expressions with respect to this point is positive, same. Okay, then angle bisector through the region which contains this point will be this one. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, प्लस साइन आएगा, क्योंकि इन दोनों एक्सप्रेशंस का वैल्यू इस पॉइंट के रिस्पेक्ट में पॉजिटिव है, सेम साइन है, ठीक है ना। Now this one, angle bisector through the region which contains origin. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ओरिजिन को इन दो लीनियर एक्सप्रेशंस में पुट करेंगे. फॉर दिस वी हैव -6 which is less than 0. I am putting 0 comma 0 in this expression. Okay, and for this expression we have 9, this is greater than 0. Here signs are opposite. Okay, so angle bisector through the region which contains this point will be this one with minus sign here. ठीक है ना, होप समझ में आ रहा है.